Crash courses. Today's crash course is on jellyfish. Get this, jellyfish are brainless. How in the world does something survive so long without a brain? Oh, Sandra, I know what you're thinking.
I hope not, sir.
You're thinking a scientist should be on a never-ending quest for knowledge. And by golly, you're right. That's why I'm gonna swim with the lion's mane jellyfish.
That's a horrible idea, sir. A jellyfish sting can be very painful.
Pain schmain, I'm doing it. For the kids, of course. But first, it's time for some fast facts. Fact number 1. Most jellyfish that live in the deep, dark parts of the sea can make their own light. This is called bioluminescence. Fact number 2. Many other animals also glow in order to attract prey, escape from predators, or find mates. And fact number 3. The lion's mane jellyfish is the largest jelly in the ocean. Its belt can reach up to 8 feet in diameter, and its tentacles up to 120 feet long. That's longer than a blue whale. Okay, time to swim with the jellyfish. Here I am in the icy waters of the northern Pacific Ocean. There, oh my gosh, it's a baby lion's mane jellyfish. Look at it glow. I'm going in for a closer look. Sweet jelly belly, it's a bunch of babies. Ooh, they're coming over to say hi. Ow! Ooh. Well, there you go, Sandra. No harm and no foul. It turns out they were more afraid of me than I was of them. Well, that went pretty well.
It went horribly, sir.